The revealing of the mind-blowing truth about the hydrogen engine. In the quest for a sustainable future, researchers, engineers, and innovators are constantly exploring alternative energy sources to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. One such technology that's gained significant attention in recent years is the hydrogen engine. Join us to discover the mind-blowing performance of the hydrogen engine. Understanding the hydrogen engine. The hydrogen engine, also known as the hydrogen-powered internal combustion engine, is a type of engine that utilizes hydrogen as its primary fuel source. Similar to conventional engines, the hydrogen engine operates by burning fuel to generate power, which drives the mechanical components of a vehicle or machinery. The mind-blowing advantages of hydrogen engines. Number 1. Zero emissions. The most significant advantage of the hydrogen engine is its zero emissions characteristics. When hydrogen is burned in the engine, the only byproduct produced is water vapor, eliminating harmful greenhouse gas emissions and pollutants that contribute to the climate change and air pollution. This attribute makes hydrogen engines a key player in mitigating the environmental impacts of transportation and industrial sectors. Number 2. Abundant fuel source. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, making it an attractive fuel source for widespread adoption. It can be produced through various methods, including electrolysis of water, reforming natural gas, or biomass gasification. With advancements in renewable energy technologies, hydrogen production through electrolysis using renewable sources such as solar or wind power is becoming increasingly feasible, ensuring a sustainable and limitless supply of fuel. Number 3. High energy efficiency. Hydrogen engines boast high energy efficiency, with the ability to convert a significant portion of the fuel's energy content into usable power. Coupled with advancements in engine design and optimization, hydrogen engineers can achieve efficiency levels comparable to or even surpassing those of conventional internal combustion engines. The efficiency translates into reduced fuel consumption and increased mileage for vehicles, making hydrogen engines a viable option for long-range transportation. Challenges and limitations. Number 1. Hydrogen production and storage. One of the major challenges associated with hydrogen engines is the production and storage of hydrogen itself. Currently, the most common method of hydrogen production involves steam methane reforming, which relies on natural gas, a fossil fuel. However, efforts are underway to develop cleaner and more sustainable production methods, such as electrolysis using renewable energy sources. Additionally, the storage and transportation of hydrogen requires specialized infrastructure due to its low density and high reactivity, posing logistical challenges. Number 2. Infrastructure development. The widespread adoption of hydrogen engines necessitates the development of a comprehensive infrastructure network. This includes hydrogen production facilities, distribution pipelines, refueling stations, and storage facilities. Building such infrastructure requires significant investment and coordination among governments, private entities, and stakeholders. However, with increasing global interest in hydrogen as an energy carrier, governments and industry players are actively investing in the necessary infrastructure to support the growth of hydrogen-based transportation and energy systems. Number 3. Cost and commercial viability. At present, hydrogen engines and fuel cell technologies tend to be more expensive compared to conventional combustion engines. The cost of hydrogen production, storage, and infrastructure development adds to the overall expenses. However, as technology advances, economies of scale come into play, and production processes become more efficient. The cost of hydrogen engines is expected to decrease, making them more commercially viable in the long run. Applications and future prospects. Number 1. Transportation sector. One of the primary areas where hydrogen engines show immense potential is the transportation sector. Hydrogen-powered vehicles such as cars, buses, trucks, and trains can offer long-range capabilities, shorter refueling times, and zero-emission operation. Major automobile manufacturers have already begun producing hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, and governments worldwide are implementing supportive policies and incentives to encourage their adoption. Number 2. Power generation and energy storage. Hydrogen engines can also play a crucial role in power generation and energy storage. Hydrogen can be utilized in stationary fuel cells to generate electricity for homes, businesses, and even entire communities. Additionally, surplus electricity from renewable energy sources can be converted into hydrogen through electrolysis and stored for later use, thus addressing the intermittency issue associated with renewables. Number 3, industrial and commercial applications. Hydrogen engines have the potential to transform various industrial and commercial sectors, such as manufacturing, agricultural, and construction. Forklifts, machinery, and backup power systems can benefit from the clean and efficient operation of hydrogen engines, reducing emissions and improving overall sustainability. Environmental impact and sustainability. Number 1, carbon neutrality. Hydrogen engines contribute to achieving carbon neutrality by utilizing hydrogen as a fuel source. The combustion of hydrogen produces only water vapor, eliminating carbon dioxide emissions that contribute to global warming. By transitioning to hydrogen engines, we can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change. Number 2, reduced air pollution. Conventional internal combustion engines release various pollutants into the atmosphere, such as nitrogen oxides, particulate matter, and volatile organic compounds. Hydrogen engines produce no harmful emissions, resulting in cleaner air quality and improved public health. The reduction in air pollution can lead to fewer respiratory illnesses and a better overall quality of life. Safety considerations. Number 1, hydrogen storage and handling. Hydrogen is a highly flammable and potentially explosive gas requiring careful handling and storage procedures. However, extensive research and technological advancements have led to the development of safe storage and delivery methods, such as high-pressure tanks, cryogenic storage, and advanced safety systems. Stringent safety standards and regulations ensure the safe use of hydrogen as a fuel. Number 2, leak detection and mitigation. Efficient leak detection systems and protocols are crucial for maintaining the safety of hydrogen-powered systems. Advanced sensor technologies can detect even small leaks, allowing for immediate mitigation measures. Industry standards and regulations are in place to ensure the safety of hydrogen infrastructure and minimize any potential risk. The unveiling of the mind-blowing truth about the hydrogen engine signifies a significant step forward in our pursuit of sustainable energy solutions. With its zero-emission characteristics, abundant fuel sources, and high energy efficiency, the hydrogen engine holds immense promise for revolutionizing transportation, power generation, and industrial sectors. While challenges such as hydrogen production, infrastructure development, and cost remain, ongoing research, technological advancements, and collaborations are addressing these barriers. As we work towards a greener and more sustainable future, a hydrogen engine stands as a compelling option to combat climate change, reduce pollution, and create a cleaner and healthier planet for future generations. So guys, let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.